Hi everyone. We have seen till Git commit. So now we are going to see how to, create a repository and push our changes into it. So first of all, log into your Git, go into the repository tab, select new, give the name. So I'm giving project one. So if it is public, everybody can view it. And if it's private, only you can view it. I'm just putting it private for now. So I'm just giving a create repository. So once I do that, see here, I get a remote address that is being generated for it. So this is the path for pointing my repository. So I'm just going to copy this and go into my command prompt and paste this here. So when I paste this, see here, I'm getting an error because already my remote location is, there's another remote origin for me. So in order to get this sorted, now we are going to put git remote set URL origin to https /github.com /testing AI alchemy hyphen project one dot git. Now it is sorted. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a git push. Oh, okay. We have not given the path right. So I'm just correcting it. So it's http. Yeah. Now I'm going to give git push. So yeah, so now our project is getting pushed into it. So now that we have got that push, let's refresh this and see. See here, our commit changes are done here. So yeah, now we are able to see our changes here. So we have done that this directly into master branch. So now if we have to do these changes to, not directly into master branch, then we need to do git checkout and create a branch with our name, let's say testing. So I've created the branch, so it's created. Now I say git branch to see if it is pointing to the testing branch. So here it is pointing the testing branch. So now because it's pointing there, now what I'm going to do is I'm going into my files, just making few changes in order to make a commit. I'm just giving import numpy as np. So I'm just making a save. Now if you go here again, give git status, we will see that the file is modified. See here, modified. And you don't see here as untracked file because it's a tracked file. So now we say git add. I can either give the file name or give star. So star is easier. So I'm giving star because I have only one file. So I'm just going to give git commit and then say commit my changes as, what do I say? Okay, changes recent. So that is done. Now this is done. So now I have to do a git push. I'm not giving a remote location now because it's already into the same file. So now if I give git push, because it's a new branch that we have created and not a master branch, it gives us to do an upstream. Let's see that as well. See here, it says, you have to give this. So just copy this and paste it. So now it's getting done. Yeah, now it's created. Now we have to have a new branch in the name of what we have created. I'm sorry, I didn't remember that. Yeah, it is created as testing. Yeah, here we have it, testing from origin. So now if you refresh here, see here, you could see two branches and your branch is here. So this is one of your branch, right? So you have your branches that are being created. So your branch here that is created is testing. So this is the branch that is created. So Yeah, so now that we have this branch, see here, compare and pull request. This is the way to do, merge the codes between master and the branch that you have, master branch and the branch that you have created. So you can just give a compare and a pull request. So create pull request. So because it has no conflicts, it gets merged. So I say merge, complete merge. So now that the process is completely merged, so generally this part which we have done for the pull request, right, this would be done by the reviewer and not by us directly. So in the production, they take care of these stuffs in order to ensure that these merges are done. So the main parts that we have to know are complete. Like we need to know how to create a branch, how to commit them, how to see the status, how to, you know clone the repository. Yeah, so I'll just tell you that as well. So in order to clone, right, you give git clone, and then you give the repositories path. So let's say the path is https, and uh, I'm just taking it from here. Oh shit. So I'm taking it here. Now I've taken it. I'm pasting it. So let's say I'm just going to take project one and then enter. So this happens to clone. See, that was an empty repository which I created. So let's do it for first maybe, because we know that it has data. So I'm cloning it. So it has to clone. See here, now it is cloned. Now that it is cloned, right? If you go into your git test, see here you have first here. This is your cloned thing. So whenever you want to, download it locally, so you can either go and directly, see in your repository, you'll have a download option, or else you can directly give a clone, git clone, and get it downloaded. So here, if you see, you have a download option as well. So this is how, you work with GitHub. So this is actually enough to work with GitHub and GitHub repository for a beginner. Thank you. Hope this session helped you a lot. I'll see you with next series, which will be useful for you in your industrial practices. Thank you. Bye bye.